We are doing remedy for cough and cold. These are oregano leaves from my mom's backyard. So I already disinfected this with vinegar with water and rinsed it 3 times. So as you can hear from my voice, I still have a bit of cough and a bit of phlegm, but it's not contagious anymore because it is not. So I am patting it dry with a paper towel after rinsing it 3 times and soaking it on vinegar for just around 3 to 5 minutes to disinfect it. And now, okay, as you can hear from my voice, I still have a bit of phlegm. So now that it is dry, we will put it in a mortar and dudurugin with pestle. Mortar and pestle. Oh, mahirap ito ah. Ganun yata. Yan. Squeeze it like this. Sabi ni Mami, palabasin daw yung juice eh. So, let's do this in time lapse. Shall we? In 3, 2, 1. I'm beginning to see the juice. So, ganun lang pala kadali guys, oh. Konting tiyaga lang kasi ito natural to eh. This is all natural. As you can see, here's a bit of juice from the oregano. Let's pour it in a clean container like this. Pour the juice in. Yes, health. Hashtag health. It may not seem appetizing. It may seem yucky. But this is the real thing, you guys. This should be our medicine coming from nature. All natural. Yan, no? Ang galing. Very nice. I love it. Buti na lang may ganito sila, Mami. Kaya nga gusto kong lumipat na ng bahay para makapagtanim ng ganito. Ang dami niyang juice, guys. I'm so happy. Imagine just a few leaves, may juice na ganun. Sayang, bumabalik. I think it's better to pound it inside a fabric or a fabric strainer, a cloth strainer, to easily drain the juice out from the leaves. The oregano leaves. Kasi bumabalik eh. See? Ew. Looks ew, but I know it's good for you. Bulitaan ko kayo guys pag gumaling na ako. Kasi ilang weeks na tong phlegm ko, hindi pa rin nawawala eh. I already took Decogen and what else did I take? I already took Decogen and Sinicod Forte. Decogen for my colds as prescribed by my OB-GYN, and Sinicod Forte as prescribed by my daughter's pediatrician. It's for all ages. No, not really for all ages. For I don't know. I can't really recall. Basta I took those and my cough wasn't resolved entirely. My cough wasn't cured entirely from those medications. I still have a bit of phlegm. So I also took honey with lemon on warm water, guys. So those are the remedies that I took. Ito pa nga, oh, ayan, oh, I have lemon in my glass. I will pour warm water in it and pour 1 tablespoon of honey. Drinking that later. But first, I took 2 glasses of water and then this. I think that's about it. So this is our healing potion, you guys. We will try to gargle this or try drinking it just a bit, and I will let you know if my phlegm disappears for good. Meron pa sana, oh. I suggest you use a cloth mesh for this to strain it better. I will use my fingers. Better to use your fingers. Parang sa pagkakamay lang yan eh. Magandang magkamay. Yun. Yun pala eh. That's it. Wonders of nature. Medicine. Natural medicine from Mother Nature. And my sister-in-law instructed me to put calamansi juice in it as well. Thank God I still have one left in the fridge. So let's do this. Lino, no? Ta-da! Close it tightly and place it inside the fridge. But I will take just a bit for now. You think? Should I drink it or should I just gargle it? What do you think? I'm scared. Kaya gargle ko muna, tapos iinumin ko. I will not show you anymore because I think it'll be nasty. Make sure to have this ready as well, guys, because it is really nasty. Ooh, sobra, guys. Grabe. It doesn't taste good. It tastes very nasty. So, that's it. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.